Take an artboard, select ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. Copy by pressing Alt. Select both ellipse. Select Shape Builder tool, fill the color to black. Stroke none and click on the common part of these two ellipses. Now we get a shape similar to a leaf. Now select Line tool and draw a straight line. Increase the stroke size. Adjust the scale and position and rotation of this shape. Right click on it, transform, then go to reflect, click on copy. Select both leaves, copy it and place it just like that. Little bit scale down. Again select the leaf and copy it another time. This time copy a single leaf and place it just like this. Select both leaves, right click, group. Do same for this side as well. Now select two leaves. Double click on blend tool, select a specified space and put the value 10 and hit OK, and then blend it like this. Now select Width tool, little bit zoom in and stretch the width. Do opposite for this side. Select all, right click on it and group. Now click and drag over the brush panel. Then a pop-up will appear. Select Art Brush and hit OK for 2 times. Draw a circle. With the scissors tool, cut these 2 anchor points, then delete one part. With the pen tool, extend the line like this. Cut this upper portion with add and delete anchor point tool. Here again, I am applying reflect copy property. Then adjust the position. Now select all and apply the leaf brush. First it will appear like this. From here you need to change stroke options. Just click on flip along, then it will be resolved. Now hit OK. Lastly, you can add text, star icon and other design elements to make a logo. That's it for today.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.